Chapter 2, problem 11, asks us to identify zeros, okay? And whether they are significant, okay? Whether they are significant, okay? In this first example here, let me change pens colors. So in this first example, these zeros are not significant because they are before the first number, okay? These are not significant. Okay, I'm abbreviating significant, sig here. 5.04, this zero is before, this zero is after a number, so it is significant. Okay, so this one here counts. Okay, it is significant. Alrighty. This one here, these zeros are after a number, so they are also significant, okay? Next to these comments, I'll make the rules. This is before a number. So it doesn't count. This is after a number. And this is after a number. Now for this next problem, it's a bit ambiguous. This zero here is of course after a number, so this zero counts, okay? But this zero here is a placeholder, okay? That's a placeholder for the decimal place. Okay, but this guy here in green is significant. All right, so green are all significant here. Now, this textbook, strictly speaking, teaches the rules, that can't really be seen, let me change to purple, teaches the rules that if there's no decimal place, all right, there is a decimal place here. You can see that little guy there. If there's no decimal place and you have a whole bunch of zeros, these are ambiguous, okay? Ambiguous. That means they might be significant, they might not be. If you want them to be, they are. If you don't want them to be, they don't, okay? So for example, if somebody measures the height of a mountain, and it comes out to be 25,400 feet, okay? You might think, well, they really accurately did that because all of these numbers are in here, but maybe not. Maybe that's a gross estimate and it's closest to the nearest hundredths place and they're rounding it off to 20,400, okay? In my class, if you're taking it from me personally, do not worry about these guys here. I will always have a decimal place in my number and ask you only, okay? And the only rule you need to remember is that if a zero is before a number, it's not significant. If there's a zero after a number, it is significant. All right? Do not count the powers of 10 as the zero as being significant. All right? I hope this is not too confusing and this actually helped you. Be sure to subscribe if it helps you. Thank you for watching.